If you get this error message in Call of Duty Black Ops 6 and the error look like this, which say failure to set player info, reason Wallops-Charles. Now I will guide you on how to resolve this problem. What does this error mean which say Wallops-Charles? So make sure to follow this instruction very carefully. Now this error can be due to the following reason. So this error which is Wallops-Charles in Call of Duty can occur due to the following reason. Reason number one, it can be due to NAT type issues. Moderate or strict NATs can prevent proper server communication. So NAT type issues, moderate or strict NAT can prevent proper server communication. Also, it can be due to unstable Wi-Fi. Packet loss or high ping spikes can cause the server to reject your session, or it can be due to router or firewall blocking ports. Call of Duty uses specific ports. If they are blocked, the game can't establish a full session. Also, it can be due to VPN or proxy interference. Call of Duty servers often reject connections from VPNs or proxies. Now, here are suggested fixes that can help you resolve this problem. Now, try to reboot your router. So, when you try to reboot your router, power it off, wait 30 seconds, and then restart it. Also, restart your PC or console afterward. Now, if you've done so but you're still facing again the same issue, just try changing your network by connecting to another Wi-Fi connection, or use your phone's hotspot to test if this is a network specific problem. So try changing your network by connecting to another Wi-Fi connection, or use your phone's hotspot to test if this is network specific problem. If possible, use a wired Ethernet connection. Avoid Wi-Fi entirely for smoother performance and fewer disconnects. If you're using a VPN or custom DNS settings, switch back to your default ISP network. Now, if it all fails, check your NAT type. Make sure it shows as open in your Call of Duty settings. If it's set to strict or moderate, port forwarding or enabling UPnP can help. So make sure to check your NAT type on your router. This will depend on your router, so you can just log in maybe to your router and check if it's set to open, or make sure it shows open in your Call of Duty settings. If it's set to strict or moderate, port forwarding or enabling UPnP can help you. If it all fails, I highly advise you to contact Activision support. Now, this page will be available on the description of this video. Just make sure to log in on your Activision account. If you don't have an account, create an account. After creating an account, select the game which is Call of Duty. Platform, it can be PC or your console. Topic key and the issue, you can explain it here on what you're facing, and the support team will be able to help you regarding this problem. But if you follow this instruction very carefully, I hope you'll be able to resolve this issue for the error code Wallops-Charles as you see here on the screenshot. Thank you so much for watching this video, and let me know in the comment section if this tutorial has helped you.